Have you ever wondered how everyday products like fuel, plastics, medicines, or even your favorite snacks are actually made? Well, that's where chemical engineering comes in. Chemical engineers are the masterminds behind turning raw materials into useful products safely and efficiently. They blend chemistry, physics, and engineering to design the processes that power entire industries and improve lives. If you enjoy science and love solving puzzles, chemical engineering might just be the perfect fit for you. So, what can you actually do with a chemical engineering degree? The career options are pretty broad. You could work in the petrochemical or oil and gas industries, help manufacture pharmaceuticals and healthcare products, or even get involved in food and beverage production. There are also opportunities in environmental protection, waste management, renewable energy, sustainable technologies, research and development, and process design or plant operations. Basically, if you want a career that's both versatile and impactful, this is it. Let's talk about salary because that's always important. In Malaysia, fresh chemical engineering graduates typically earn between 3,600 to 4,300 ringgit per month, which works out to about 42,000 to 52,000 ringgit annually. As you gain experience, your earnings can grow significantly. Mid-level engineers often earn between 5,000 to 7,000 ringgit monthly, and senior engineers can make up to 10,000 ringgit per month, or even more. Now, how do you get started on this path? After SPM or IGCSE, you'll usually begin with a pre-university or foundation program like A-levels, STPM, or a foundation in science or engineering, which takes about 1 to 2 years. Some students choose to do a diploma in chemical engineering, which takes about 2.5 to 3 years. Then, you'll need a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from a program that's accredited by the Board of Engineers Malaysia, or BEM. That degree usually takes 4 years. Once you graduate, you'll register as a graduate engineer with BEM. After gaining 3 years of relevant work experience and passing the professional assessment exam, you can become a professional engineer, also known as IR. This opens the door to senior roles and higher pay. If you're thinking about this field, it's important to be strong in mathematics, especially algebra and calculus, chemistry, physics, and even a bit of biology if you're interested in biochemical processes. Computer science skills, like programming and using simulation tools, are also a big plus. Who's a good fit for chemical engineering? If you're a problem solver who loves applying science to real-world challenges, if you're detail-oriented, analytical, a good communicator, and someone who enjoys innovation and continuous learning, you'll probably thrive here. It also helps to be resilient, because you'll be dealing with complex projects and tight deadlines. After graduation, you'll find opportunities with some of the biggest names in Malaysia, like Petronas, Shell Malaysia, Siem Darby, BASF, Top Glove, Air Liquide, and many pharmaceutical and food manufacturing companies. Of course, there are pros and cons. The good news is that there's strong demand for chemical engineers, competitive salaries, and opportunities to work in a wide range of industries. You'll also have the chance to impact sustainability and innovation. And there's plenty of room for career growth if you get professionally certified. On the flip side, some roles can involve shift work or being on site in plants, and there's a high level of responsibility for safety and environmental compliance. Plus, you'll need to keep upskilling to stay current with new technologies. When you're choosing where to study, make sure your program is accredited by the Board of Engineers Malaysia, BEM. It's also smart to look for universities with strong industry connections, good internship options, modern labs, and supportive faculty and career services. To sum it all up, chemical engineering offers a challenging yet rewarding career for science lovers who want to make a real-world impact. With a solid education, professional certification, and passion, you can build a high-paying, dynamic career in Malaysia's growing industrial sectors. If you're ready to mix science with success, chemical engineering could be your ticket to a bright future. Thanks for tuning in. If this content sparked joy or curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more exciting adventures. Join the community and be part of the journey. Every click counts. See you next time.